Okay. Morgan. Ah, great, Morgan. Morgan's prepared for class. Good job. Now, Morgan, let me ask you this. Okay? I've got all these fractions here, right? 3a over 5 minus a over 2 equals 1 over 20. I could get a common denominator for these first two fractions, change the numerators, go ahead and do the subtraction, then cross multiply, and then solve. Or I can just get rid of the fractions.
Okay.
That's what we're going to do. What number does 5, or what number do 5, 2, and 20 go into?
They all go into 20.
They all go into 20. So I'm going to multiply this side by 20, and I'm going to multiply this side by 20. Now, Morgan, we're going to try something a little bit different this time. When we distribute, let's cancel before we multiply. Okay? I won't actually write it down because I don't want to lose the 20. But think about this. When I cancel with the 20 and the 5, what does the 20 turn into?
4.
Okay, so now it's 4 times 3a, and what do I get?
12.
Good. All right, do you feel comfortable with that?
Yes.
Okay, what about the next one?
Then it would be 10 times 3.
Okay, so it's going to be
Minus 10a.
minus 10a, because the 2 and the 20 cancel to make it 10. All right, and then over here on the right, what do we get?
Yeah.
Okay, good. You want to go ahead and simplify it for us?
So then you have 2a equals 1.
Uh-huh.
And then you divide this by 2.
And a equals? Beautiful. Okay, now remember on that first one, Eva, when you were working that one for us, we went ahead and multiplied the fraction and we reduced later. But the more practice that you guys get with this, you'll just cancel it before you multiply. Okay, does that make sense, Duncan? That's easy enough? Okay, can you see how this would help you with doing lots of solving equations? I mean, this is really just teaching you a way to get rid of the fractions. Yeah. Miles, yes sir?
That's all the work you have to show now to show how we can.
It's all the work you have to show, right there. Okay? Don't get lazy to show me everything. Don't just go, oh, I saw that it was 1/2 because I was looking in the back of the book. Okay, Alex, you had a question.
If you are simplifying it,
Yes.
then you do 5 and 20 and 5 changes to 1. Do you keep this 20 as 4 or do you go with
No, when the 5 cancels, the 20's got to cancel, right? They both get divided by 5.
20? Right.
So the 5 turns into a 1, and the 20 turns into a 4, but only for this fraction.
Yeah, that's...
Only for that fraction. It's a 20 again when I'm distributing it to the second fraction. Okay? If you don't feel comfortable with that yet, you're going to get better at it. But if you don't feel comfortable with that yet, then go ahead and multiply the fractions and reduce later. That's fine too. Okay? Always make sure you're doing it right. Okay, let's look at the next one.